Igbo rituals earlier this year before I went back. So as I was already planning to bring out the items I came with, prepare them because I make sure I don't put any plastic inside the water. So I was, surfing them out, bringing out to make sure that there is no plastic in any of those items. So I was eavesdropping in the prayers of other people that were around close by. These were guys, and the only thing these guys kept reaffirming was money. Give me money. I'm going to do this for you if you give me money. I want money. I'm going to come and thank you with this one. So I did not say anything. When I was done, my partner was now like, every time people and money. None of these guys even prayed for life. I was like, I thought I was the only person that is even thinking the same thing. So I want to ask, what do you pray for? If we are being honest, what you're praying for matters. How you're approaching your spiritual forces matters. What you're telling them matters. If you're praying for money, how about money without life? How about life without money? Rather, instead of asking for money, pray for akonuche. Pray for things to evolve, to manifest around you. But do not be direct that what you want is money. Pray for life. When you pray for akonuche, you're already covering the financial aspect of it, because your akonuche, the knowledge you have, is what you're going to use to work. It is what is going to manifest as wealth for you. Let's be intentional. This is the purpose of ordinary.